Hello you ladies. So today I have someone very special with me and she is my sister.
Yes, I'm the sister.
Okay. So she has come back for her vacation. So today she will be styling me.
So what I think is, I really think her styling game is lacking. So I'm gonna show how it's done.
And I don't think that she is that good of a stylist, but let's see, and you all have to tell us in the comments.
Let the judges
Yes.
judge who's better. We love our little competition.
Okay, you have to tell us in the comments whose styling do you like the best, and obviously you must have seen me styling things, and today we will put her to test.
Mm-hmm.
And it is very rare that I like the way that she styled things, so let's see how it goes.
We'll find out. We'll find out. Hi guys. So we are back again. I will be describing the looks, and then our model Mansi, that is, will be modeling these clothes for you. Okay.
That's me.
Yes. So our first look is this top that I got from Sarojini. Oh, and let me tell you, this is literally one of the best finds from Sarojini. This is only of 250 rupees, but the material is to die for. I think it's cotton. It's really beautiful. It has these button sort of details behind it, and it's really good for safety if you do not want to show your skin or whatever. And it gives like a really chic look and a very rich look to you. And I will be pairing a flared jeans with it.
Nice.
And this is from H&M. So, and then I will be pairing my flats, my trusty flats, really beautiful ballet flats with them. And now you will judge my styling, and my sister will be modeling them for me.
Okay guys, so this is our look number one. The flared jeans, the cutesy white top, the flats from Westside, and this silver bracelet. My mommy gifted it to my sister, so she gave it to me for this look.
And guys, she's forgetting little details that we have tweaked here and there. Like I've put a little clutcher that matches her shoes.
Oh my God.
Show them your shoes like this. Yes, shoes and the clutcher is matching.
I
So
think I
little
showed
details
you.
have been tweaked here and there that she's forgetting to tell you. Anyways, I've also done a little makeup on her. I've put wait a minute. Put this lip gloss which is from Masaba. It's called Lip Gelato.
Let me
And
show it to them. I think it is called Love Child.
yes, her brand is called Love Child, and this is something called Lip Gelato in the shade
In the shade, I don't know. Raspberry.
Raspberry Rose
This-
01.
This video is very chaotic. Get out of here.
Okay.
Okay, now my review. I like this cute top a lot, but the jeans are not fitting, so I don't know what to say about that. And if I were to style this top, I would have worn something a little fitted and not something flared. And if I would be wearing flared jeans, I would not have been wearing flats because I am not that tall, so I need the height. Otherwise, I'll give this a 5 out of 10.
You're a little.
Okay, let us move on to our next look. Okay guys, I forgot to, showcase the look, so here it is. Let us move on to our next look.
So guys, for our look number 2, we have a black H&M, a basic top. I got it for very cheap from H&M. I don't remember for how much, but I think it was 500 or something. And it's very basic top with a v-neck, and it's really cute, although it's very basic. I will pair it with a skirt that I thrifted from Delhi, from Munirka. And oh my god, let me show this skirt to you. It's a dream come true, and I really love this skirt so much, and I love this outfit in general. And let me show you how I will style my sister. I will style my sister with these boots that she already owns. So the fit is mine, but the shoes are hers. So what we'll do is we'll style her with some earrings. We'll play around with her hair, and you let me know how you like it.
Okay, guys. So this is our look number 2. The skirt, the top. The only thing that has changed are these boots. I'll come. These are these, I don't know what they are called, but it has a little heel, and that has changed. And I am wearing these silver jhumkas of my sister. Everything is from Sarojini, right?
No,
No.
no.
Okay.
Top is from H&M.
H&M,
The skirt is thrifted from Munirka,
Munirka,
and the shoes are from Sarojini,
Sarojini,
and the jhumkas are from Sarojini.
and Sarojini. And this, I think, is the same from the first look. So I'll pose for you guys. Okay, my review. I just love this outfit. I would definitely wear it, but the only thing that I would change are the boots. I would wear them with combat boots.
No, I mean, I feel like they look so much better. You're looking so much more feminine with these. And combat boots do not give you height. This one gives you a little more height that the skirt, the midi skirt cuts off from your actual
Yes,
height.
but I would, pair them with combat boots. And there were these boots which had little square mouth that were going around, and it had a little heel. If I would have had that, I would have worn that. But
Guys, no, don't go for hairstyling because those square boots will not look good with the skirt. Anyways, continue.
so for this look, I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10. So let us move on to our third look.
So for our third look, nothing will change except the skirt. This skirt I got from Haus Khas in Delhi, and this is a really cute mini skirt and looks really chic and really edgy. So let's say you're going out with your boyfriend, or you're going with a date on a date with your girlfriends, you could definitely wear something like this. So my sister will now model it for you, and for styling I'll probably change the earrings, or maybe even not. You'll see.
So this is our third look. And my sister was kind of thrashing me for not giving the complete description. So here it is. Top, skirt, boots, and for this look my hair is down. That makes a lot of difference. And for my lips, I'm wearing the same color, and earrings are the same. Okay, sister?
Model it for us.
Yes. So my reviews, I really like this styling as well, and if I could steal, I would steal this skirt. I really like it, and I have been asking my sister to give it to me, but I don't think she'll give it to me. But yes, this is again 10 out of 10. I will definitely wear this look. So let us move on to our next look.
So guys, our look number 4 and the last look for today is this dress, this beautiful dress that I got from Sarojini. I don't know how lucky I got that day that I found this dress, and it's not often that you find such pieces in Sarojini. So I'm gonna show you this dress. So this is the dress. Look at the detailing. This is so 2000s. I did
Guys, stop. So she and I had a fight after she got this dress, because on that day I asked her to get me something, and she was like, "Oh, I'm not getting anything like this, nothing good here." And at the end of her shopping, she video calls our mother and shows this dress. I literally had a mental breakdown after it, but yes, okay.
Yes. So anyways, this dress is so beautiful, and the detailing over here reminds me of the 2000s era of, I don't know. I think these prints were very common at that point of time. And the back is the showstopper. You guys need to look at this. The back is so beautiful. It gives your back a really good shape, and because it's cut in a V shape, that's why it makes your back look really beautiful, even though the dress is very flowy. And look at the tassels at the back of the dress. The detailing, oh my god, is so cute. Really, the detailing is the best part of this dress. And I will be styling it with these jhumkas, I don't know, earrings from that I got from Sarojini. And these are the jhumkas. Oh my god, I was so happy when I got them, because this will be a dinner look. We'll be pairing it with these flowers that you have seen many times on her channel, and because it has a hint of pink. And I've also paired it with the pink earrings that are contrast to blue, and that brings out, I don't know, beauty in the whole look. So I hope you'll enjoy it, and you'll now see my sister modeling with it, and I hope you enjoyed my styling.
Guys, this is our fourth look. Oh my god, dreamy. So I think she has already given you the description of everything she has gotten it from. I will pose it for you. The back, guys, the back is giving. You know, I'm already thinking of the ways that I could get photographed. But yes, and look at these earrings. And she has made my bun, which is only just hanging in there and it could come off. But yes, this is look. And I think you know that I will definitely give it a 10 out of 10. Why am I liking the looks? I don't know, but yes, this is my favorite by far. This is comfortable because I am wearing flats. This looks sexy. It is, you know, kind of highlighting my features, my back. So yes. So this was the last look of today, and I think sister did really good because I like 3 of her looks. So that is something. Sister, do you want to come and say something?
Yes, so you all have now seen my styling and my clothes fresh out of my wardrobe. So I hope you enjoyed the looks, and I hope you saw the taste of real styling and not
Okay, that is too far-fetched.
Low-key loser ass styling that she does. Anyways, you guys let us know how you liked it. We would love to listen to your opinions, unless there's something that we would like to ignore. So thank you.
Thank you, guys, and let us know in the comments which look was the best by far, and we will see you in the next one. Bye, sister.
Bye.
Bye.